illegal connections. That is where our biggest problem is.
Whatever you want, the people buy electricity from Kamoba to Mabana electricity or Jampela Kamoko, or never electricity.
Kunzima mntanami. Sisebenzisa igasi vele vele. Ugesi la ekhaya sosebenzela nje ukayini.
Why don't buy firm electricity ya temporary so that they khone go avoid whatever is happening in so.
Ngenyanga ngithenga ugesi we-R1000. Mangathola ithuba lokukhuluma neminister ngafisa ukuthi akasizamele abogogo noma siuthengileke lo R100 usiqhoba mhlambe kuze kuphelele onyanga or 2 weeks.
It's not fair because honestly we use electricity on a daily basis. For instance, 100 rands gets you 33.6 units. Then before that, we know that 100 rand could get you over 99 or 100 units.
The municipalities themselves, they look at the pressures in terms of their own operations. So the pressures of operations in Joburg are not the same as those ones in Ntabangulu, for example, in the Eastern Cape.
Kanti ke mbukela ukusixelela banzi sikhwebe umdidiyeli weasikhulume uNonhlanhla Mthembu. Nonhlanhla masikubulise sikwamkele SABC lihaye sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Bonga thina siasikhulume. Thank you so much for this opportunity and I look forward to this very important discussion. Ebesibhizi ngayo for quite a number of weeks. We went into our research, we looked at everything ukuthi iconcern abahlali bethu kakhulu siasikhulume sayisithanda ukuthi we go to the ground and hear ukuthi ama viewers wethu athini bese siyakwazi ukuthi sicokelele konke lokho sikpackage in such a way that we are able to then give it to those that are accountable to answer to our public, and that's exactly what we did even with this particular topic.
Singatsho sithi lengxaki ithwaxa kakhulu abemi bomzantsi Afrika njengoko sibonile besikhalazela imibeliqela ingaba mhlambe intoni ethe yanikhuthaza ninkqubo yesikhuluma into okubana nihumba amabala anje.
Suhlela ukuthi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ababukeli bethu babaleke kakhulu kithi. Normally masiqala sibheka ukuthi what are we going to give next to our viewers? We listen to them. Our social pages are very important. Saye nathi ngokwethu si receive ama messages from our regular viewers who are saying this is what we are going through. We always remain current to what is happening to our viewers in our country, and issue electricity was one ebesesematheni kakhulu. That is why sesabona ukuthi let us go and hear what is it that they are crying about. Yini le abafisa ukuyazi, what are their questions? And that's exactly what we did. Njengoba bosho ukuthi lento affecta everybody. And if you recall, good clip esiqeda kuyibona, we went to informal settlements. We went to townhouses. We went to Soweto because we wanted to make sure that we get a clear view of how this affects all different income brackets. And that is why we had the confidence so which ngempela lena it's an issue which we need to put on the table and also be able to get those that are accountable to come and address these issues. And we found out, I mean, ngesikhathi ngibhizi ngenza these interviews, okuningi uyayithola ukuthi our community is misinformed because information I penetrate ifike kahle kubo. Ngihleli nogogo obengana ne-idea yokuthi angakwazi ukuthi yena as a pensioner applyele i-subsidy ethi ngoba you are earning a pension uzobhadala kanje, right? I went into Princess informal settlement where you have people okuthi uyabona ukuthi ngempela lento yokuthi bahlale endaweni that is so much vile in terms of illegal connections. Abekho happy abayithandi leyo situation. There's a gentleman who spoke to me about how many children they've lost in that system abaphila kuyo yeintambo ezihamba emanzini ezihamba nje. Some I could even reach myself. I'm not a tall person, but I could even just reach ama cables ahamba lapha emoy. They are not happy about that.
Ingxaki enkulu kakhulu le and kulento ithethayo uyowabe kanti udlana indlebe nomakhulu ndimvile sithi into kubana ngenyanga uyakwazi nokuba abhatale imali ethi 1000. Senditsho sinengxaki ezininzi apha eMzantsi Afrika, kunentswele ngqesho, senditsho abantu abaqhubi kahle kakhulu. Ingaba mhlawumbe ubukhulu balengxaki bungakanani ingakumbi xa kuziwa kwi-electricity billing?
Yazi masifika kundaba kagogo, yeah, ibinzima kakhulu even putting together that part. Ngoba ugogo uhlala yedwa unomntwana umzukulu ongena isikolo. Most of the time ugogo is alone. Uthi the grandson went to matric, so most of the time akekho endlini, comes back late. Ugogo usebenzisa igas because seka decide ukuthi angeke asakwazi ukuqhubeka ngokusebenzisa isitofu sakhe sikagesi, seeing that electricity iyadura. Gogo bengibonisa ama receipts, you know, futhi abantu abadala banjani bayakwazi ke nokukhipha izinto kahle. Ugogo bengibonisa ama receipts we electricity yakhe, and gogo earns a grant just over 2,000. Now if ugogo will then spend over 1,000 rand on electricity monthly, you ask yourself ge ukuthi ugogo yini le aphila ngayo.
Enye into esiphinde sayiqaphela xa siza kwingxaki zombane ingakumbi njengoba usisho into kubana funeke niqonqoze kumasebe, funeke babe accountable. Kukhona abantu abakhala kakhulu ingakumbi xa uzoya ko Johannesburg CBD, bathi ufumanisa into kubana kuba khona iestimation enikezwa iunits zonke. Ufumanisa into kubana lo ngxaki umuntu xa ya kumasipala kuthiwa hayi kune estimation sijonga into kubana kule area abantu bachitha umbane ungakanani. Ingaba mhlambe niye nazifumana impendulo malunga noko?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngaloyo mbuzo Khonosa. Ngaphambi kokuthi size sifike ekutheni si invite the Department of Electricity and Energy to come into the studio to unpack these issues, even during our research, even during putting together this insert, we went to the City Power offices. Ukuyozwa kubo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Can they unpack this for us? Because some of these things, ngempela, assumptions are not working here. And siyafika laphana basichazela indaba oqeda kuyithinta khona manje, yeah, this average that they give everybody. Uye wasichazela okhulumela iCity Power eGauteng. Washo ukuthi what happens is igoli ligoli kanje alinama rates afana nama rates waseMpumalanga mhlambe o enkowa ngoba kuningi okusuke kubalwe ngaphakathi mase kuthiwa this is the standard charge ezobhadalwa abantu baseGauteng. Yingoba even our viewers made us aware during our research ukuthi in KZN mawuthenga electricity we 100 rand awufani nalo awulingani nalo uthenga useGoli, awulingani nalo uthenga useCape Town. Wasiyasichazela ke ukhulumela isiko le City Power ukuthi no, lawo ma rates are decided between ama conversations abakhona no Eskom nama municipalities, kubhekwe ukuthi municipality isindwa kangakanani. Unfortunately for Johannesburg, he did mention ukuthi this is a hub okuguthi idriver economy kakhulu. Kunezindawo eziningi okuguthi ama firms, there's a lot going on, and that is why the charges zama rates the site will not be the same as in other provinces. Why thinta ke futhi nendaba yokuthi bona by City Power bathwele kanzima in terms of ama legal connections, and ezinye zezinto ukuthi ngakhuthaza kakhulu ababukeli bethu ukuthi ba tune in kusasa njengoba sizobe si unpack all of these things. Kulaba zozwa khona ukuthi ingakanani imali espendwa ama department ukuhamba baloku bacima. Yabona njengoba besibone indabeni kule viki eliphelile kucinywa ugesi kuma illegal settlements, kucinywa ugesi emaflatini okuthi abantu bangene ngenkani khona. Leyo nto leyo i-department ithi siyakhokha ukwenza leyo msebenzi loyo. Kuba yi-extra money okuthi iphuma kule yamali engabinika abantu ugesi.
Qaba ngaphambi kokuba siqele siqonqothe ndiyafuna into kubana bakhumbuza babukela into kubana banibukela nini ngabani ixesha, kwaye siyafuna into kubana nibameme nabo babe inxalenye yenkqubo yenu.
Ngaphambi kokuthi ngisho lokho ngizothanda ukusho ukuthi we have invited the Department of Electricity and Energy ukuthi beze bazokwenza kube easy for abantu bethu ukuthi ba understand ukuthi what goes into the decision yokuthi njengoba abantu bazibuza manje ukuthi nithe ama increases ayeza asho ukuthini lawo ma increase kethu kuvelwa kuphi, ivela kuphi leyo decision, kutheni kuzobe kube kanjalo. So ngakhuthaza kakhulu ukuthi ababukeli ba tune in on SABC1 kusasa ngo 9:30 ebusuku izobe iqala ingxoxo.
Siyabulela kakhulu futhi ke ndiyathemba into yokubana bazawufunda into yokuba ndiyithande kakhulu into oyitshoyo into yokubana abantu bakuthi baleka i-awareness of ezi zinto kanti umuntu othatha umhlala phantsi uyazi ukuthi ungakwazi uba kube khona izinto azi-aplayelayo ukuze afumane noko i-price ethe yathi yehla. Enkosi kakhulu Sibambi Ngasibini.